to sharpen our drawing material, if you have a pencil like, in other words, it's surrounded by wood, what we're going to do is we're going to take our straight razor. So hold the blade between your thumb and your forefinger. You're going to hold the pencil just like this. This hand is going to guide the angle, and this thumb is going to push the razor. So you don't push with this hand, you push with this thumb. This hand guides the angle. And we're slowly, and you got to watch the pressure, because too hard and you're going to break the tip. But what we want to do is just expose a little bit of the lead or the wax or the charcoal, whatever you're working in. Charcoal can have a habit of snapping and breaking, and it can get pretty frustrating. That's one reason I recommend for students to go ahead and use the Conte instead of the charcoal. It just doesn't break as easy. Get a good shot of that. See the lead's exposed there? What you want to do is take your sandpaper, and then again, we're not up on it like that, but nearly parallel, and then we're going to sharpen, and as I do this, I twist the pencil. So just back and forth, round and round. You see that's beginning to sharpen, and you're just going to go until you have the point that you want. So something like that, and then the beauty of this is we can do a fine line, or we can do a field, right? By laying it on its tip or dragging through the tip, a line, and then down on the side. And the better job you do sharpening, the better that side will work. So you have two different marks you can make with that. It'll be the same thing with the black. For your charcoal, you won't need, for your nitrum charcoal stick, you won't need the razor. You simply sand it till you have the point you want. Now, as you can see, this is much easier to sand, and it doesn't take nearly as much pressure. Let's see, hold it over there. We can get a line, or we can turn it on its side. And that's all there is to it. So after you sharpen your pencils, we'll be ready to get to our compositional studies.